Volcanoes. These massive geological formations are among the most powerful and destructive forces on Earth. They can shape landscapes, destroy cities, and impact global weather patterns in the blink of an eye. But what about the creatures that live near these deadly volcanoes? How do animals survive in the shadow of such unpredictable forces? Today we'll explore the world's deadliest volcanoes and the remarkable wildlife that calls these perilous areas home. Let's begin with Mount Vesuvius, one of the most infamous volcanoes in history. Located near Naples, Italy, this stratovolcano is best known for the catastrophic eruption in 79 AD that buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Mount Vesuvius is still active, with millions of people living in its danger zone. Despite the risks, the fertile soil created by volcanic ash supports a rich ecosystem. Animals like foxes, boars, and hedgehogs thrive in the lush forests surrounding Vesuvius. Birds such as peregrine falcons and kestrels use the rocky cliffs as nesting sites, taking advantage of the abundant prey. Next, we travel to Mount Nyiragongo, located in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This volcano is infamous for its fast-moving lava flows, which can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Nyiragongo's eruptions have displaced thousands of people, yet its surrounding forests teem with life. The mountain is part of Virunga National Park, home to critically endangered mountain gorillas. These gentle giants rely on the dense vegetation that grows in the mineral-rich volcanic soil. Other species, like chimpanzees and forest elephants, also navigate the volatile landscape, demonstrating incredible adaptability. In Indonesia, Mount Merapi is one of the most active and dangerous volcanoes in the world. Known as the Mountain of Fire, Merapi has erupted frequently, posing a constant threat to nearby communities. Yet its slopes are inhabited by animals like leopards, macaques, and civets. The volcanic activity creates a dynamic environment where species must adapt quickly to survive. Merapi's forests also support a variety of bird species, including the endangered Javan hawk eagle. This region highlights the resilience of life in the face of natural disasters. Heading to Japan, we find Mount Sakurajima, an active volcano located on the island of Kyushu. Sakurajima erupts almost daily, spewing ash and lava into the surrounding area. Despite this, it's home to a surprising array of wildlife. Deer are often seen grazing near the volcano, seemingly unfazed by the frequent eruptions. The surrounding waters are rich with marine life, including dolphins and sea turtles, which thrive in the nutrient-filled waters influenced by volcanic activity. Sakurajima showcases how life can coexist with constant volcanic threats. In Hawaii, the Kilauea volcano is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Erupting almost continuously from 1983 to 2018, Kilauea has reshaped the island of Hawaii repeatedly. Its lava flows create new land while also destroying habitats. However, Kilauea's slopes are home to unique species like the Hawaiian goose, or nene, which has adapted to life on the volcanic terrain. Endemic insects and plants also thrive in this environment, taking advantage of the nutrients in the volcanic soil. The balance of destruction and renewal makes Kilauea a fascinating study of ecological resilience. Another deadly volcano is Mount Etna, located on the Italian island of Sicily. Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, with eruptions occurring almost yearly. Its fertile soil supports vineyards, orchards, and forests, which in turn provide habitats for various wildlife. Foxes, wildcats, and rabbits inhabit the slopes of Etna, while birds like owls and buzzards soar above. The volcano's rich biodiversity contrasts sharply with its destructive potential. Let's not forget Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines, which erupted catastrophically in 1991. The eruption caused massive destruction, yet the region has since rebounded with remarkable biodiversity. Pinatubo's forests are home to species like Philippine deer, monitor lizards, and hornbills. The eruption created new lakes and wetlands, which now support freshwater fish and migratory birds. The recovery of Pinatubo's ecosystem highlights nature's ability to heal after even the most devastating events. In Central America, Arenal volcano in Costa Rica is a prime example of a deadly volcano surrounded by life. Although it was dormant for centuries, Arenal became highly active in 1968, erupting frequently until 2010. The lush rainforests around Arenal are part of a protected area, home to jaguars, sloths and toucans. The volcanic activity enriches the soil, supporting the vibrant biodiversity of the region. Arenal's ecosystem thrives despite, or perhaps because of, the presence of the volcano. One of the most extreme examples is Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland, which erupted dramatically in 2010. The eruption disrupted air travel across Europe, but also showcased the resilience of local wildlife. Arctic foxes roam the volcanic slopes, while seabirds like puffins nest along the rugged coastline. Iceland's volcanic landscapes are a testament to the adaptability of life in harsh environments. The region's unique geothermal features create habitats for specialized species, from microbes to larger mammals. How do animals survive near these deadly volcanoes? Many species have adapted to the unique conditions created by volcanic activity. Volcanic soil is rich in nutrients, supporting lush vegetation that attracts herbivores and their predators. Some animals, like monitor lizards and deer, use the rugged terrain as a natural refuge from human interference. Others, like birds, take advantage of the elevated landscapes for nesting and hunting. These adaptations demonstrate the incredible resilience of life in volatile environments. Why do volcanic regions often have such rich biodiversity? The answer lies in the balance of destruction and renewal. While eruptions can devastate ecosystems, the ash and lava they produce eventually break down into nutrient-rich soil. This fertile ground supports plant growth, which in turn attracts a variety of animal species. The constant cycle of destruction and creation ensures that volcanic regions remain dynamic and full of life. What can we learn from the creatures living near volcanoes? Their ability to adapt and thrive in extreme conditions offers valuable insights into resilience and survival. These animals remind us that even in the most dangerous environments, life finds a way to flourish. By studying volcanic ecosystems, scientists can better understand how species respond to environmental changes. This knowledge is essential for protecting biodiversity in the face of natural disasters and climate change. Why are volcanoes important for the planet despite their destructive power? Volcanoes play a crucial role in shaping Earth's landscapes, enriching soils, and regulating global temperatures. They remind us of the planet's dynamic nature and the interconnectedness of life and geology. Understanding volcanoes and their ecosystems helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world's deadliest volcanoes and the incredible creatures that live nearby. Until next time, respect the forces of nature, marvel at life's resilience, and cherish the beauty of our ever-changing planet.